Welcome everybody, thank you for joining me for another one. This one we got a 10-minute beginner arm workout here. This is for those that are just starting out for those basic moves. You will need a pair of weights here. If you don't have any weights, you can grab some soup cans, water jugs, whatever you got around that house. Here we go, we're just starting with a nice easy warm-up. Just give me some big circles forward with those arms. So if you're just getting into this workout and you're kind of new to fitness, it's always about form. Strength training is always about form. I always want you to start off with a lighter pair of weights just so you can get that form down, and then when you got that form down, you're building up a little bit more muscle, a little bit more strength, then you can grab some heavier weights. But remember, it's always about form. If you have a mirror, you can always do a workout in front of a mirror. It does help you so you can see your form yourself. Big circles back with those arms, nice and easy. We're just breathing. So a little tip for when we're breathing, any hard part of the exercise, that's when we exhale that breath. Inhale that breath on the opposite. So anytime, pretty much any exercise that's going against gravity, that's when you exhale that breath. Hands out to the side over that chest. Just warm it on up. Again, do what you can. Again, if you're new, if you're just starting out, you're a beginner in the fitness game, no worries. Here we go. Grab those weights. Starting with some bicep curls. So we want to make sure that core is engaged. Make sure that back is nice and tall, and we're just going to lift those weights up to the shoulders. All the way down, all the way up. So we got 60 seconds of work each exercise here. Take breaks if you need to. If your arms are getting a little bit too tired, you're losing that form, you're not giving it that 100%, then take a break if you need it. So with these bicep curls, I want those elbows right there by the ribs. I want those arms just coming up. I want you to engage that bicep as we climb up. So the side view, my back is nice and tall. I don't want you leaning back like this, okay? Don't do those bicep curls like that. Keep it nice and tall. Keep that core engaged. Keep that lower back engaged as well. Feet shoulder width. Nicely balanced in those both feet. It could be a soft bend in those knees if you want. A little tip, if you are leaning back, you can't help it, step one foot back, give you a little bit more back support. You could do a little tripod with those feet if you need to. Here we go. And Kim, stay sideways. We're gonna go into some triceps next. We're gonna hinge at those hips. Back is flat, okay? So don't round the back. Keep those shoulder blades back. Keep that chest open towards the ground. Elbows are bent, and we're just gonna extend back. Working that tricep, which is the opposite of that bicep, which is the back of the arm. Keeping those elbows in place. Extending that arm as far back as we can without moving those elbows away from the body. So with that breathing, we're exhaling as we extend back, inhale as we reset. Nice, because that's the harder part. The harder part is getting that arm back. It's a little bit easier to bend that elbow, but to extend it, to work that tricep, we exhale that breath. Good. Again, don't let that back round, okay? So this one's a good one to do in front of a mirror if you need to practice that form. We want those shoulder blades back to help flatten out that back, keeping that chest slightly open. And again, that chest is towards the ground. Bring it on up. We're going to work some shoulders here. Slight bend in those knees, slight bend in those elbows. We're just going to lift to the shoulder height. Back again is tall. Core is engaged. Breathe in, exhaling that breath as you get that weight up. If you have any shoulder issues or something doesn't feel right, just don't go up as high. Cut back on that height just to make it a little bit more doable for your body. Remember, we're all at different fitness levels here. All of our body types are different. We all have our strengths, we all have our weaknesses. Any of these moves, just do what your body can do. Modify it if you need to, just to make sure that it's doable for your body, for yourself here. Exhaling, keeping that back tall. Don't use speed. All the strength exercises I do today in this workout, slow and controlled. Good, nice job everybody, nice job. Alright, we're gonna bring it on up. 90-degree elbows, palms facing towards me. Don't let those elbows drop any lower than that. We push up to the ceiling and down. Push up and down. I don't want you dropping down this way. We're taking tension off the shoulders. Keeping it 90, keeping tension on the shoulders, making them work a little bit harder. Side view, make sure that back is nice and tall. Okay, what I don't want you to do, I don't want you doing this. Leaning back. Don't do that. That means that weight is a little bit too heavy for you. Okay? So grab a lighter weight. Or if you don't have any lighter pair weights, just do it without weight. Using that body weight is okay as well. You're still working, you're still breathing, you're still pushing that body, you're still challenging yourselves just to get that workout in. Good, nice job. After this, we will go back into those bicep curls one more time. Can we slow the move down a little bit more here on the next one? Bring it on down. Palms facing forward, elbows stay down, and we lift. Nice and controlled. So when we come down, don't let gravity win. Don't speed it out. Don't let those weights drop. Control it coming down. It's about the same speed coming up, same speed coming down. Back is tall, core engaged, and we're still breathing. Nice, good job. Keep those elbows down. Don't lift. Don't speed up the move. Remember, slow and controlled on these. This is the second set of each exercise again. We're going to control it a little bit more. We're going to make sure that we're engaging that muscle as much as we can, that targeted muscle. So again, working that biceps. Keeping that back tall. Core is engaged. Remember, core is very important. Always nice to keep that core strong. Working out that core also is very important. Okay, so we're using that core to keep our body up right here. Give me one more. Hinge it back on over. Chest towards that ground. Bend those elbows. Elbows stay by the ribs. We extend back. Exhaling that breath. This one's an easy move to swing and to go fast with that weight, but try to prevent that. Try to control that weight coming back and coming forward. Getting that arm fairly straight. Contracting that tricep. Back is flat still, remember, don't round that back. Chest towards the ground. And we're breathing. Good. Again, this is that second set. Arms may be a little bit more tired here. So if you need a break, that's okay. Take a break. Then just join back in the workout. No problem. We only can do as much as our body allows us to do. And as long as it's challenging, as long as you're feeling that muscle work, then you're doing a good job. Alright, going to stand it on up. Slight bend in those elbows. Going right out to the side here. Exhale that breath. Back is tall. Don't swing that weight. Don't let that weight drop too fast down. Same thing here as that bicep curl. We're trying to control that speed. Work the same speed coming up and coming down. And don't lose that form. Don't let that back round. Don't let it lean back. Don't let it lean forward. Keep it nice and tall. Core is engaged. Lower back is engaged. And we're breathing. Good. Good job, everybody. Just keep it going. We got a few more here. We have our one more set of those shoulder presses. And then we're gonna do a little stretch out. And we cool down and we move on. Moving on to that next workout video or just moving on with your day. Here we go. Bring it up. Elbows. Check those elbows. Are they 90? And push. Come back to 90. Don't let it drop any lower than that. Exhale that breath. Keeping that back tall. Don't lean it back. And remember, if you need it, if you're feeling your back is leaning back, you can step one foot back. Give you a little bit more support here. Nice and controlled. Exhaling up, inhaling down. Keeping those elbows wide. And we're pushing. Good job, everybody. Good work, good work. Keep it going. Shoulders might be feeling it. They're burning a little bit. You're working it. Don't let that form get thrown off here, okay? Just because you're getting more tired does not mean you get sloppy with that form. Few more here, everybody. Few more. Good. Keep it tall. Keep reaching. Give me two more. Final two. One more. And relax. Nice job. Go ahead and put that weight down. Here we go. Take one arm across. Pull the elbow and stretch out that shoulder. How'd we do today? Was it challenging? Was it too easy? Do you need to grab heavier weights next time? Whatever it was. Remember, as long as you did what you could, switch sides. That's all that matters. You still watched this video. You still picked up those pair of weights. Those cans, those water jugs, whatever it was. You picked it up, you started to do some movement, and you just got that body active. Gonna take one arm over, tricep stretch. Fingertips down that back, other arm, this arm can pull the elbow, add a little more pressure to it. Great job. Let me in the comments below how this workout was for you. Don't forget to like it if you want more of these videos. And then check out the rest of my channel. Switch sides. I got plenty of more workouts you can add on to this. If you're feeling good still, you want a little bit more, go ahead and grab more or check out the rest of my channel. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Alright, take those hands up. Feet nice and wide, focusing on that breath here. Head leveled. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more time. Bring it on up. Exhale down. Come back up and give yourselves a hand, everybody. Great job. Remember, if you like that video, go on and give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It shows me so much love on YouTube. And then again, check out the rest of my channel. If you're feeling good still, you got a lot of energy in you still, check out the other workouts that I have there. And until next time, remember, stay fit, stay flexed, and I will see you in the next video.